Hi everybody, I'm about halfway to my destination from Lompoc to Solvang, and I just wanted to show you how beautiful this environment is. It's kind of dead right now because we're in the winter, so everything has gone to sleep and turned brown, but this is going to be so nice to see. There's Lucky all loaded down. Got my one wheel on the back. Got a new seat. Got some new lights. I really like the Loomis lights on the back because they are visible during the day, and they're on the front as well, and they're on the helmet. And when you use the blinker, the helmet lights all turn to blinker left or blinker right. It's really cool, but enjoying the trip. See you guys later. I'm staying at what is called the deluxe room at the Hotel Hagge here in Buellton, and this is much bigger than my last room. It has an additional table. There's one chair there, the other chair is across the room. Another amazing bed, plenty of room for the bike, full bathroom, refrigerator. I need to go get some groceries. Huge view of the activity area with the gas fireplaces. Of course, flat screen television. There are the two gas fireplaces I plan to use tonight. And the amenities are amazing. The bathrooms are very modern. The products are very good, with including a waterfall shower, all included. It smells so clean in here. I know if you're in the area at all, please come here to this hotel. It's wonderful.